Things are working out according to my intended design. Son will be mine.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Random but beautiful foe, right? Or evil person. I can't think of the word that is like the opposite of the good person in the plot. But yeah, we're gonna do Vanessa, which is technically Ursula in The Little Mermaid. She turns to be this beautiful but evil like lady. And I thought it would be so cool to do a look on her. Why not? Right? I mean, all these unnoticed Disney characters that don't get attention on YouTube, like, they need attention, and I'm here for that. So I am just taking a really nice porcelain foundation all over my skin to get that really nice look to my skin. So like I said, just continue to blend that into your skin. I am wearing the purple lenses from lensvillage.com that I was using in my Incredibles. Everything will be linked below. These contacts are very important to do this Ursula Vanessa look because she's got purple eyes and they're very like evil looking, so you need that. What I'm doing here is putting some concealer under my brow, and I'm stealing your voice, right? So yeah, that's what we're doing. So just make sure that you blend out that concealer, and we're going to be almost starting on the brows in a little bit. So what you could do to get a more sinister look to your brows, kind of like Vanessa's, is you can take some glue and glue down your brows and then put lots of concealer on it and make yourself have like really skinny evil brows. But honestly, I can't stand doing that, so I'm just going to go with what I have, which is my already arched eyebrows, and I'm just going to extend them. But real quick, I am just powdering my face all over because she has a really porcelain matte face, so that's what I am doing here. So blend out that powder, of course, and then hopefully now we move on to the brows after we take forever on our face. I didn't realize it took so long. Okay, so brows. I'm taking a dark brown eyeshadow, and like I said, just working with what I have, which is my arched brows, extending the inner corner and giving myself a really big arch, you know, kind of like maybe 2007 brows, like Jersey Shore brows. I don't know. I just remember girls used to do this a lot, had really dark arched brows. And you're going to kind of make your arch really long, and not long, but extended, because that makes you look more mean, right? More intimidating. So that's exactly what we're going for. We're going for those really intimidating brows. And also, I'm making myself have mad lines right here. And this is going to make me look mad because I am mad and I want Ariel's voice. I want to keep her forever. So I'm using this lipstick right here by Focallure called Chestnut, and this is going to be my lip color. I know I totally skipped my eyes. We'll get there. I think I just wanted to see how I look like with the pink lipstick. You also want to, if you don't have a Cupid's bow, try to create one, but if you do, try to enhance it. I have one, so I really just try to keep my lips pointy, because hers are pointy, and like I said, she has like this sinister look to her, and I felt like this lipstick was pretty perfect. Like, I liked it. It had that look that I was going for. So once you pat it in and deepen up the lipstick, it should give you like a more accurate type of lip color that's very similar to Vanessa. I think I said verily, but I meant very similar. I'm weird. Okay, so I'm still putting lipstick on. Wow, Nicole, you take forever. I swear, I could have cut out a little footage. I guess I wanted you guys to see that. I'm taking a little bit of this Victoria's Secret lipstick. It's hot pink, and placing it right over. Use any hot pink drugstore or whatever, anything you like. And this is going to just really make the lips, like I said. So now I'm taking these really crazy lashes by Jai Meyer Beauty from Amazon, because she has really long eyelashes. So no eyeshadow. That's what all the powder was for. I guess that's why I powdered the crap out of my face. So just really long lashes, spider lashes, because she's evil. I'm already starting to look evil already. So just make sure that you coat those lashes evenly. And voila, look at them. They're really insane. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys how she would look like if you put eyeshadow on. So I just really quickly put like a light brown sparkly shadow and then a dark brown and kind of carved out a crease, and that's how it would look like if you were to do eye makeup with it. But other than that, this look is complete. It's a different type of Disney look because a lot of the times people forget to do the villain. That is the word I was looking for earlier. People forget to do the villain. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this Vanessa Ursula look. And if you guys do it, please tag me on Instagram. I will see you guys in my next Disney video on my way to steal Ariel's voice and her man. Bye.